between product batches while ensuring the quality and freshness of the final product. Looking at the juicy red apples being packaged, you can't help but feel immediate attraction and excitement. The bright beauty and pure flavor of red apples create an attractive and appealing feeling. The packaging protects the apples from external influences and keeps them fresh. Besides, the packaging also highlights the natural beauty of the apple, creating a luxurious and professional feeling. Not only part of the enjoyment experience, but also a symbol of cleanliness and quality. Looking at the packaged red apples, I can't help but feel the freshness and appeal. And that's definitely what makes people want to enjoy it immediately. Washing vegetables will become easier and more convenient than ever when you use this device. This device not only saves time, but also effectively ensures food hygiene and safety. With advanced technology and smart design, this device helps remove dirt, bacteria, and other impurities from the surface of vegetables quickly and effectively. You just need to put the vegetables in the device. Turn on the switch and wait. All remaining work will be completed automatically and efficiently. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that your vegetables are washed in the best possible way, retaining their natural flavors and nutrients. With this device, you can rest assured about the safety and quality of food every time you prepare meals for your family and loved ones. Cutting vegetables becomes easier and more convenient than ever when you use this device. This device is designed with advanced technology and smart features, helping you perform cutting tasks quickly and accurately, saving time and effort. The fully automatic tray sealing packaging line for dried fruits is a shining testament to the matchsticks ignite and create a warm flame when intimidate trisulfide and potassium chlorate mix. These days producing bolts is a high-tech process with many steps. Let's find out how they turn raw steel into precision bolts. In some cases the reds are created after heat treatment, especially for applications such as engine head bolts and cylinders. This requires cutting oil and a sturdy roller to finish the industrial bolts. The radiator is an expert in heat transfer, bringing a cool or warm space in a professional way. Snakes raised on Kenyan farms are mainly cobras and vipers, which are the snakes with the strongest venom. These snakes are mainly wild snakes domesticated or transported from other farms, so interacting with and caring for them every day is a very dangerous job for workers. Taking care of venomous snakes and pythons is not easy, even at the cost of human life if bitten by a snake. Do you know how many people are bitten by snakes and die each year in Africa in general, and Kenya in particular? According to statistics, thousands of people died from snake bites because they were not injected with antidotes in time. Therefore, research to create antidotes from snake venom imported from Kenya is increasingly expanding. The increasing amount of venom exported from Kenya is causing venomous snake farms to expand further. Hope we have brought you an interesting topic. How do you feel today? Please comment a lot below to let us know. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.